Now let's assemble the component. So file new. Here we have to choose this assembly. Okay. We have to insert the component and choosing all the component. Okay. So click one by one on the screen. These are the here the bolt is fixed here. So you have to make it into float. So on the component moving components. So we have to fix one component here. So go to main and select the assembly origin. I'm going to fix this flange here. So flange origin. Coincide. So this is our first constraint. Now this flange will never get moved. So apart from that, all the components will move with respect to each other. So now let's assemble these two branches. So go to make and select this cylindrical surface and this cylindrical surface. So if we need means we can click direction. So now it's moving. Let's fix this cylindrical region and this cylindrical region. Now select this region. Now it's perfectly made. So next we have to assemble the shaft. So go to right, select this cylindrical region, this cylindrical region. Now the shaft is moving, so we have to fix this moment, and so it gets rotated. So go to make and select this region which is parallel to this region. Now let's arrest the linear motion. So select this region and circular region. It is fixed. Okay. Here the shaft is fixed. Let's assemble one more shaft here. So go to insert component and insert one more shaft. Here we have to select mate, select this cylindrical region, this cylindrical region. Okay. Now we have to fix the rotation. Select these two. Okay. So finally, we have to select this region as well as this cylindrical region. It gets it. Now let's fix the bolt nut. So go to make, select this cylindrical region, this cylindrical region. Now it's move linear direction. Select this region and this inside region. It's coincide. So this is our first one. Let's fix the nut. Go to mate. Select this cylindrical region, this cylindrical region. Now we have to arrest this linear movement. So for that, select these two regions. For our convenience, let's increase the length of the shaft because the shaft length which is not mentioned in our diagram. So let's increase the distance as 120 mm. The keyway distance is also not mentioned in our diagram. So we have to increase the distance as 80 mm. Save this command. Close it. Changes also we need in the assembly. And also let's change the dimension of the bolt, which is not mentioned in our program. So for our conveniently, we are going to change this dimension. The extrusion as 65 mm. Okay, right. Let's close it. Yes. Now it's clearly visible. Let's assemble the key. So go to Mate and select the bottom region. Select the bottom of it like this. Now let's fix this side. Select this side and here. Here we are having the linear movement. So select this region, circle region. Okay. Now it's perfectly. So just like this, we have to insert one more key here. Go to Mate. Sorry, go to Insert component. Browse the one more key. Go to Mate and select this bottom surface as well as key bottom surface. Now here, select this side face, also this side. And last thing, you have to arrest this linear movement that it's like this. The key is placed both the shaft. Here we need 3 more bolt and nut for these 3 codes. So instead of inserting each and every component and making those components, let's pattern. So go to pattern. So here we are having circular component pattern. So click this and expand this assembly. Here we have to select bolt as well as nut. We need these two components and select the direction here. You can select any circle. Here number of components are 4. Okay. So like this we have to assemble.